From the raw force of a Smith & Wesson to the polished precision of a Colt, we're about to look into the best .357 Magnum revolvers in 2024. At number 5, we have Smith & Wesson 66 Combat Magnum. Have you ever felt the sheer force of a handgun that not only commands respect, but also leaves you speechless? The Smith & Wesson 66 Combat Magnum is all of that and more. This masterpiece features a robust stainless steel structure that combines durability and elegance. One of the most notable aspects is its barrel, which is a work of art in and of itself. The medium-heavy barrel shape, which is typically between 2.75 and 4.25 inches long, adds to balanced weight distribution, enabling for controlled and precise firing. But wait, what genuinely distinguishes this Magnum? My friends, it's precise engineering. Every shot feels like a controlled power symphony. The precise trigger pull, in perfect sync with the cylinder rotation, guarantees unbelievable accuracy. It's more than simply a gun, it's a symphony of controlled power. The dual-action trigger allows for a crisp, lighter trigger pull in single-action mode and a smooth, deliberate stroke in double-action mode. This adaptability allows for precise shooting as well as rapid-fire settings, depending on the shooter's inclination. This revolver has tremendous stopping power when chambered in .357 Magnum or .38 Special. The precision-fitted 6-round cylinder revolves with smooth efficiency, assuring consistency shot after shot. Whether you're a seasoned marksman or a first-time shooter, the 66 Combat Magnum provides an approachable yet powerful experience. The ergonomic grip, which is frequently made of textured rubber or synthetic materials, improves control and reduces recoil, allowing for a pleasant and stable grasp. This attention to detail extends to the adjustable sights, which allow for perfect aiming and target acquisition. It's a trip that every shooter should take, from its exquisite design to the raw force it unleashes. So, what are you holding out for? Purchase this masterpiece. At number 4, we have Chiappa Firearms Rhino 40 DS handgun. Have you ever wondered what happens when cutting-edge design meets raw power? That's what we're looking at today with the Chiappa Rhino 40 DS. Let's go into the specifics of this beast. The unique barrel location is the first thing that strikes your sight. It's not your usual top-mounted barrel. Instead, it's low and aligned with the bottom chamber. This isn't just for show. It's a design option that reduces muzzle rise, giving you better control and faster follow-up shots. And here's when things become very interesting. The Rhino 40 DS is more than just a pretty face. It's also a performance beast. The double-action, single-action trigger is as smooth as a new jar of peanut butter, offering a sharp pull that begs to be felt. This is the type of trigger that helps you appreciate the craft of shooting. But wait, we're not done yet. This piece's ergonomics are absolutely seductive. The grip fits your hand like a fitted suit, giving comfort and control with every stroke. It's more than simply a revolver, it's an extension of yourself. Let us now discuss the cool factor. The Rhino 40 DS isn't just cool, it's cooler than the cushion on the opposite side. It's the type of gun that makes you want to go to the range and brag about it. You'll turn heads, I promise. The Chiappa Firearms Rhino 40 DS is more than simply a handgun. It's a statement of design and creativity. If you want to step up your game, this is the perfect gun for you. Number 3. The Magnum MR73 Sport. With the Magnum MR73 Sport, we're entering the premier level of accuracy today. This revolver is chambered with the lethal .357 Magnum cartridge, which packs a powerful punch. The MR73 Sport's Magnum prowess ensures you're well equipped for every occasion, whether you're at the range or out in the field. Big power comes with big responsibility, and the MR73 Sport doesn't let you down. This revolver has good recoil control due to its sturdy build and smart engineering. You'll feel a controlled and controllable kick, allowing for faster follow-up strokes while maintaining accuracy. The MR73 Sport is not confined to the .357 Magnum cartridge. This versatile revolver can also fire .38 Special bullets, giving you more ammo options. The MR73 Sport has a finely rifled barrel that will send shivers down any marksman's spine. Whether on the range or in competition, The famous accuracy of this revolver sets it apart from the crowd. The double-action trigger on the MR73 Sport is a thing of beauty, offering a smooth and steady draw shot after shot. Its single-action mode, on the other hand, provides a thrilling hair-trigger sensation. The MR73 Sport has excellent adjustable sights that improve your shooting experience. If you want to take things a step further, the revolver can also incorporate optics, guaranteeing you strike your target with pinpoint accuracy. The MR73 Sport isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's a blank canvas for customization, grips, finishes, and accessories. The choices are as limitless as your imagination, allowing you to personalize this work of art. A deep history lurks underneath the technical prowess. The MR73 has been used by law enforcement and competition shooters alike, earning its stripes in some of the most demanding circumstances. It's more than a gun, it's a heritage. So if you're looking for a handgun that effortlessly mixes design and function, go no further than the Magnum MR73 Sport's symphony of precision. Number 2. Smith & Wesson Performance Center Model 327 TRR8. The Smith & Wesson Performance Center Model 327 TRR8 revolver is redefining cool. Consider this, a light, elegant frame that exudes speed and accuracy. The TRR8 is more than simply a firearm. It's a speed demon, built for individuals who want both style and substance. The TRR8 has an 8-round cylinder, allowing you more rounds to unleash without having to continuously reload. The revolver is chambered for 357 Magnum cartridges. That's not just a strength, it's precise, controlled force that makes every shot matter. But what distinguishes the TRR8? It's the Performance Center procedure. Consider it the VIP treatment for firearms. Gunsmiths comb over each and every detail, adjusting and refining to create a high-performance masterpiece. The end result? A revolver that is not only dependable, but also enjoyable to fire. Let's have a closer look at the barrel. It's not simply a tube, it's a 5-inch masterpiece with precisely rifled edges. The TRR8 doesn't simply strike the target, it hits the bullseye with surgical precision, demonstrating Smith & Wesson's dedication to precision. Let's speak about adaptability now. The TRR8 isn't just a one-trick pony. It's a blank canvas waiting to be filled. Pickets and rails allow you to personalize it by adding accessories that suit your shooting style and demands. It's more than simply a weapon, it's an extension of your character. It's more than just a firearm, it's your ticket to an unforgettable shooting experience. Finally, at number 1, we have the Colt King Cobra Target. Let's start with the looks. Because let's face it, the King Cobra Target is stunning. Its stainless steel frame is not only strong, but also a sleek canvas that oozes elegance. The lines and curves of the revolver aren't just for show. They're a combination of form and function, giving an ergonomic grip that feels like an extension of your hand. Is it possible for a handgun to be both a piece of art and a high-performance tool? Warning, this is a spoiler. Yeah, it's possible. The Colt King Cobra Target is chambered for the 357 Magnum, and when you handle it, you're not just holding a gun, you're holding a piece of precision engineering that delivers a controlled explosion of force with each trigger pull. But what distinguishes it? The style. It's more than merely ergonomic. It's a union of form and function. Every feature is precisely created for comfort and control, including the grips and curves. It's a revolver that looks beautiful, but also feels wonderful in your hands. The Colt King Cobra Target is all about striking your target with pinpoint accuracy, not simply looks and power. And guess what, people? It's not just for seasoned shooters. Anybody who seeks a piece of history with a modern touch will like it. The Colt King Cobra Target is more than simply a firearm. It's an experience waiting to be had. The Colt King Cobra Target revolver is more than simply dazzling features. It's a revolver, a monument to time-tested dependability. This isn't just a gun, it's a partner you can rely on, shot after shot. The stunning revolver serves as a monument to the marriage of traditional design and contemporary functionality. It's more than simply a gun, it's a celebration of workmanship, power, and accuracy. Today, we've looked at the finest array of 2024 revolvers in the dynamic world of 357 Magnum revolvers. Each firearm is more than simply a piece of technology. Whether you choose the traditional or the cutting edge, these revolvers symbolize the peak of power, innovation, and leadership in 2024.